This is Ulfhednar Freestyle Sword Fighting Club of Vancouver Island. In this video we'll be going over our minimum armor requirements. We will also go over our optional armor recommendations. Starting with the head, a combatant must wear full head and face protection. The best is a standard hockey helmet with a metal face cage. The grid opening of the cage must be 1 1/4 by 1.5 inches or smaller. Combatants wearing the basic open grid helmet can only fight other combatants fighting with weapons that will not protrude through the grid. These are mainly the player-made weapons using PVC pipe. Future videos will show how to craft a basic sword. Combatants wearing an open grid face cage are not allowed to fight other players using store-bought weapons or weapons crafted with a fiberglass core. This is due to the weapon or the core being able to protrude through the cage and cause damage to the combatant. It is up to the combatant wearing the open grid face cage to see the type of weapon their opponent is fighting with, and ask them to swap out weapons. There are many weapons available for a combatant to choose from, or simply ask another player if you can use one of their weapons. A combatant can modify the cage of their helmet to decrease the size of the grid or add clear plastic to the cage. Once the cage is closed, the combatant can fight an opponent using any type of weapon. Neck armor is also a requirement for fighting at Ulfhednar. The neck armor, also called a gorget, must be a rigid material such as plastic, metal, or leather, with padding behind it. Hand protection is needed as the hand is a legal striking target. The padding of the hand protection at minimum must cover the base of the thumb. Sports hand protection such as lacrosse gloves or hockey gloves are the best. Combatants can craft their own hand protection, again, as long as the base of the thumb is protected. Groin protection is also a requirement, a sports jock for boys and a sports jill for girls. So that is the minimum requirements for gear a combatant needs to fight at Ulfhednar. We do have loaner gear for a new player, with the exception of the groin protection. Any combatant can wear as much protection as they see fit. The only restriction we have is no metal knee protection in the gym, as it can damage the floors. Typically, the protection we use is sports gear such as hockey or lacrosse. This includes but not limited to mouth guards, chest protection, forearm protection such as bracers, abdomen and kidney protection, upper legs, knees, and lower legs. Players can craft their own protection such as pickle barrel or ABS plastic, leather armor, cloth padding such as a gambeson or even metal armor, full plate or chainmail. This type of home-crafted armor must be inspected for potential injury-causing oversights. If you have any questions, please stop by one of our practices and ask one of our members, or type the question on our YouTube channel or on our Ulfhednar Facebook page.